How to stop Messenger calls from showing in call log on Android. This tutorial shows you how to manage Messenger call history and prevent it from appearing in your phone's call log. First, launch the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps to view all applications. Following that, find and tap on Messenger in the app list. Now, tap on Permissions to manage Messenger's access. Moving forward, look for Phone or Call Logs permission. Afterwards, tap on Phone permission to change its access. In addition to that, select Don't Allow to revoke phone access. Once done, Messenger calls won't integrate with your phone's call log. Subsequently, you can also disable call notifications in Messenger settings. Moreover, open the Messenger app on your device. Afterwards, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Then scroll down and tap on Notifications and Sounds. Within this section, look for in-app sounds or call notifications. Alternatively, toggle off call-related notifications to minimize alerts. Once disabled, Messenger calls will be less intrusive on your device. Then you can also go to Settings and tap on Notifications. Afterwards, find Messenger and customize which notifications appear. Then disable call notification categories if available. Moreover, this ensures Messenger calls remain private within the app. Afterwards, your phone's default call log will only show regular phone calls. Then, Messenger calls will stay separate and won't clutter your call history. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you stop Messenger calls from showing in call log on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.